Today, we're comparing two top all-season 3-peak mountain-certified tires, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and Nokian SeasonProof. Michelin, a pioneer in this category, faces off against Nokian, renowned for its winter expertise. Let's see how they perform in key areas: wet, snow, dry, wear, noise, and rolling resistance. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops 3.2 meters shorter than the Nokian SeasonProof. However, the Nokian edges out in wet handling, with a slight 0.3 km/h advantage. For aquaplaning, it's almost a tie. Overall, Michelin leads in wet braking, a crucial safety factor. On snow, the Nokian SeasonProof stops 0.1 meters shorter than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 in snow braking. However, the Michelin pulls ahead in snow traction with 66 newtons more force. In snow handling, the Nokian has a minor edge, being 1 km/h faster. It's a close contest, with each tire showing its strengths. When we look at durability, the Nokian SeasonProof shines, lasting almost 10,000 kilometers longer than the Michelin CrossClimate 2. However, the CrossClimate 2 has a lower abrasion rate, meaning it wears down slower for every 1,000 kilometers driven. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 has a much lower abrasion but still ends up with a lower overall mileage due to its lower starting tread depth. Michelin dominates dry conditions, with a 6.4 meter shorter braking distance and better handling speed. If dry performance is key, the CrossClimate 2 takes the win. Both tires are quiet, with only a 0.1 decibels difference in noise, which is almost unnoticeable. However, Michelin excels in rolling resistance, offering better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 shines in wet, dry, and fuel efficiency, while the Nokian SeasonProof offers better mileage and snow handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.